Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can add screw holes in Bambu Studio. Now, if you're 3D printing your screws, it's going to be extremely simple. Just go ahead and basically add your screws. Now, let's say that my screw is going to be this cylinder shape right here. Now, this is only an example, but of course, you can follow along if you're not actually 3D printing your screws. Now, from there, you want to make this to the same size or diameter as your screw. So basically, let's click on the scale option. And then from here, you could resize it into something like millimeters. Now, in my case, to make things easier, I'm just going to use the controls right here. And you could just position it where you want to put your screw holes. So in my case, it's going to be specifically right here. And so right after that, let's then go ahead and of course adjust it once again the way you want to. And basically right after, we then want to go ahead and just simply click on the object itself. And from here, you then want to click on the second object that you want to put the hole with. So in my case, it's going to be the outer tube, or I could also put it in my cube, but it's not going to be ideal because it will actually pierce through my object. So I only want to apply the hole onto this specific shape. So I'll make sure that they are selected together. From there, I'm going to select the mesh boolean option, and then I'm going to click on the subtraction option. So basically from here, I want to use my main shape and subtract it from this specific shape. So if we click on the execute button, it will actually tear a hole onto that specific part of my shape. Now, of course, you can adjust that to whatever you want to. Maybe you want to separate them, or you want to do it alternatively. Of course, you could simply do so. Let's just click on the execute one more and it will show up right here. But generally, you want to select your main shape, and the second one is going to be our screw hole. And basically from here, I just want to go ahead and copy and paste this through every inch, or basically every part of my shape that I want to put the screw with. And right after, just select all of your shapes together, right click on it, click on merge, and basically from there you are good to go. So guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.